CNN. New York Court of Appeal rejected Donald Trump's attempt to stop the $250 million civil trial on Friday, but temporarily stopped the process of breaking his business. Auxiliary Justice Peter Moulton published the decision after a short hearing on Friday afternoon. Trump said that former president was responsible for last week from Court of Appeal Judge Arthur Engoron last week. He said why he would. Last week, the New York Supreme Court ruler Engoron decided that Trump his joint defendants were permanent, and repeated they decided that many Trumps had to cancel business certificates for the presence of many Trumps to terminate out-of-party job licenses. Judicial authority, a process, legal authority, trial, and any reason makes the legal functioning more than one business impossible and threatens the termination of hundreds New York employees. Any judicial authority or required process. We are not looking for anything except for just a hearing. And these mistakes penetrate the ongoing hearing, Trail Trump's lawyer Christopher Kise said on Friday, referring to the errors avalanche in court. The New York Chief Public Prosecutor's Office, Trump and other defendants, said that they are trying to plant chaos by breaking a week of an ongoing hearing. However, the defendants cannot cause irreparable damage to the continuation of a hearing that had previously started. The Chief Public Prosecutor's Office also criticized Trump's team wait for the trial statement to prosecute days present the request for stay, and by explaining, they waited until Mr. Trump decided to stop attending the hearing. Trump joined the first 3 days of the hearing and returned to Florida. The response also said that a delay would be destructive for the court and witnesses, and said, not only in this case, but also in other cases including Mr. Trump, if hearing here is postponed, there is an important risk that defendants demand more hearing delay on basis of deadline in these other cases. Regarding Trump's request pause Engoron's summary decision, Chief Public Prosecutor emphasized that the defendants are willing to discuss implementation entry of this relief and entrance final decision, provided that hearing continues progress. This week, the judge ordered Trump to propose potential buyers until October 26, which will begin the dissolution process. Trump and his common defendants have not yet agreed to participate in these discussions. The Chief Public Prosecutor's Office should take into account important court resources for the Court of Appeal, private regulations outside within courthouse building, many additional security and other court personnel to carry out these arrangements, special arrangements to ensure access. Trump's lawyers agreed to sue against Engoron. Trump's lawyers agreed to quit a case against Engoron and New York Chief Public Prosecutor's Office. Trump lawyers and joint defendants reported to appeal court that the New York Chief Public